Well, it's now 2024 and today I've bought a whole collection off of someone. It is literally their whole collection, and with the addition of these guys here, I do really want these. These are the drop down Buzz Lightyear and Woody. I've wanted these for ages. Now, they've assured me that everything in here is in good working order and it's everything that they've currently been collecting over the last sort of 2 or 3 years. I'm going to get this box out and we're going to go for it. Now, I have a rough idea what's in here. They did picture the listing. This was all from Facebook Marketplace, so I do have a rough good idea of what's actually in it. This is a collection, Lotso Hugging Bear. Does look like it's in good condition, and it does still smell of strawberries, which is quite nice because these are quite old now. Obviously, they would have come out with Toy Story 3, so yeah, they are one of the earlier collections. So this is a signature collection. It's seen better days, the normal wobbly lid, and it's a little bit scuffed, but overall it's still a good, very usable toy. Nothing seems broken, which is good. Again, that probably come out with the same time as those. We've got a Forky, so this would be a Toy Story 4 era, so we might as well start putting these in piles. We have a Bo Peep. Again, I would say this is from the same range as Forky. Got like a mini Slinky. These are just nothing, aren't they, really? I mean, again, this is from Toy Story 4, so these are quite late toys, really. These aren't early ones. Now, I don't know if that's intentional. I actually never knew that bit of elastic was actually to hold a hat onto a hair. I don't know if that is intentional or not, but this is an earlier, is it a Thinkway? It might be. It is a Thinkway toy. Yeah, it's an earlier Thinkway toy, so it's not a collection one, but it's still a nice Jessie doll. So this is a signature collection. Bullseye has got the hard feet, the hard eyes, and I'm hoping when I change the batteries in there, it will make the galloping noises, because it doesn't do anything right now. The only sad bit I did notice on the thing is someone has wrote on the feet, which, fair enough, it happens, and we're going to try and clean it off so it can go to a new home. You can tell somebody was into these until right up until late, because this particular Buzz is actually from a completely different series and was only out last year, I think. So again, this is a note, it's not a collection, this is just a rocket pack Buzz or something, I think they call them. Bit of a strange one. I haven't seen many of these, but the buttons on the front, oh, it does do something, but the buttons on the front here don't make anything. Laser button doesn't do anything. Strange toy. You get quite a few of these Buzz Lightyears like this. We've got a nice ham. We do like these. I've seen these before. They are quite pretty. Cheap, but pretty. We've got a standard older Woody, which they're still not. Oh, and he's got his hat with him, which is, I don't know if that's from him, but he's got a hat, which is always nice. We've got a basic potato head, which I see quite a lot of those for nothing these days. I'm going to be interested to see what this is going to go for and what these are sort of worth these days, because I've had the bigger ones in the past, but these small ones I haven't really seen. Now, I noticed he was in there on his own. I don't know if he's part of a bigger set or something, but that's quite cool. I might even keep that for my collection. I do like that. Again, very small Forky. I do like these. I think he'll be going on the dashboard in the van. It's a cool little toy. One of the later Slinkies. Again, I think this is all part of the same range that Forky and Gabby come from. So, yeah, maybe we'll just keep those together and they'll go as one lot. Duke Kaboom from the same era. Again, yeah, they just kept collecting these as time went on. I have no idea what this is. I've never seen one of these in my life. This is a very strange toy. Some sort of transforming Woody. I don't know what it is. It's probably never been played with by anyone, sadly. There's a little bag of minifigures, which again, I've just dropped one. But yeah, there's a little bag of minifigures there. It's got an alien and stuff with it, which is quite nice. We've got an RC, which is always nice to see. A little bit dusty, but still, I do like these. These are very cool, and especially when they work and you can play with them, and a little plushy alien. So there's enough to be going on with, which is quite nice. We get them cleaned up, and that's the one we dropped, a little minifigure. But we get them cleaned up and we'll see what we can do with them.